What's up to my amazing craft artists? My name is I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life is a craft artist. I hope you're having a great day today. It's a beautiful sunny day here. I am so excited because I went to Five Below today and shopped, but I probably shouldn't have. But I thought these are some cute stuff I've been wanting for a while. So I got me some cute things and some accessories, some wonderful things I needed for myself. So this is what I got: some sticky stickers, but I don't need really, but scratch and stiff stickers from Strawberry Shortcake. And I got Delilah perfume. I got me a beautiful speaker and some beautiful hair accessories, if I can talk. Hello Kitty keychain. Then I have this beautiful Strawberry Shortcake magnet. So let's go into this video and show you everything up close and personal. Hope you guys are having a great day. So let's get excited. Let's start hauling. Thing I'm going to be looking at in this haul video is this beautiful magnet of Strawberry Shortcake and her friends. Look how cute this looks, you guys. I love the old school way of drawing this. I love how it looks. I love how they kept her original character right in this beautiful illustration, and I love how they're bringing Strawberry Shortcake back. I've got a lot of Strawberry Shortcake stuff, you guys. You have no idea how much I love Strawberry Shortcake back in the day. Look how cute this is. It's a beautiful Strawberry Shortcake illustration, and her friends right here, cute of strawberries, and it's a beautiful magnet to put on your refrigerator or a mini refrigerator or whatever you're going to put it at. It's really cool, and I just love how this looks. I can't wait to put this on my refrigerator. And I think it's wonderful that they came back with Strawberry Shortcake. Comment down below if you love Strawberry Shortcake and her friends. My favorite character is Strawberry Shortcake, obviously. Then Orange Blossom is a close second because I love her so much. And then I love Apricot. My sister had Apricot. That's a doll. Love it. So that's a really beautiful way to get you excited about Strawberry Shortcake. It's a magnet. So the next thing I want to show you is this beautiful Hello Kitty keychain that I bought there today for like $3 or $4. I just love how this looks so simple. And I love Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty stuff. So this is really cute. It's really simple. And I love how it looks. It's going to be fun on my keychain. And also, I would like to show you right here is more Strawberry Shortcake. If you know me, I love me a good sticker. And these stickers are wonderful. I might put these on my niece and nephew's graduation packages this week. So it's a scratch and sniff, and they smell good, you guys. This is 6 pages of beautiful Strawberry Shortcake and Friends stickers. And this is the world of Strawberry Shortcake. Let's open it up. Look how cute these stickers are. I'm going to show you a page. I hope I can get it open and let it stay open. Some of these things don't want it to evaporate. But there you go. There's Blueberry Muffin, Strawberry Shortcake. There's, I think, custard somewhere in there. She's got to be there. There's custard. And then you have my favorite Strawberry and Orange Blossom together. And look how cute these stickers are. It does repeat. Repetitive stickers. I like that when they have a repeat. Because what if you like the sticker? And there's 6 pages of stickers. And they're really cute. Right? Really cute, right? And then on the back, it just says that for Strawberry Shortcake. And all your kids and grandkids and whoever likes Strawberry Shortcake will love this sticker set. And then let's move on to some cute, some really cute, you guys, hair accessories. The colors are amazing. Like a springtime. This beautiful, awesome green, like a, what is it called? Like a spring green. And these look like little pearls, colored pearls, if I can talk. So beautiful for spring and summer. And then you have this beautiful pink, really pretty. I just love how it looks. And I think it's wonderful to have it on your hair, for your grandkids or for yourself or your kids. And this beautiful sky blue or cornflower blue. Love it. Cornflower, really pretty. I just think it's so awesome. The little pearls on there. I love buying pearls. That's one thing I love buying. And then I love this beautiful purple, like a lilac purple. Pretty, you guys. These are going to be so much wonderful in your hair. I love them. So pretty, right? Look at that. It's so beautiful to wear these. So let's move on to something else I want to show you is this beautiful perfume. I love buying perfume at Five Below. I think it says Delilah. I'm not sure if I say that right. This is the packaging. Look at the packaging on this bad boy. Beautifully done. I think it reminds me of Marc Jacobs. Yeah, Marc Jacobs perfume. I hope I can open this without having to pause, which I always do. I always gotta pause these videos. So am I right? Marc Jacobs. Look at that. This is so, look at the inside of the beautiful flowers. I love it. This is what it looks like, you guys. Let's reach it and get it. Love it. Look how beautiful this bottle looks, you guys. I mean, ooh, that's beautiful pink. That pink and white. Oh, that is beautiful. And it has a little glitter on this. Wow, look at the beautiful flowers. They're so cute. Oh, man. I love this. And I think this thing's twists around. Yeah, they do. I just love it. Let's put it by the box like I always do when I do the perfumes. Look how cute that looks right there, you guys, right? That looks so beautiful. Oh, the color. I can't wait to try this out and spray it, see what it smells like, you know? The sun's going in and out for some reason. I don't know why, but the lighting's going to be bad in here. But, oh, look how cute this looks right by each other. And this smells. Let me back up a little bit. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. What does that smell like? A beautiful flower. I love flowers. I love spring. I love summer. I just love the smells and all the things are brand new. And then last but not least, let's put this perfume away, you guys. Let's put it back in the box. There it goes. So last but not least, let's get this beautiful speaker that I bought. I bought speakers before at Five Below, but this is a cool one. It looks like a retro radio back in the 80s. Remember those radios? If you're born in the 80s, comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. Look at this speaker. It is wonderful. They had it in pink, all pink, and then they had it in this white and red, and they had it in this beautiful like greenish color, and then they had it in, I think, blue, if I'm not mistaken. And let's open this up if I can get it open. It's hard to open these boxes on the video. This is the name of the company. No, that's the name of the company. Bluetooth, and then it's Beat Blast Wire Speaker. That's the name of the company right there. And this one all comes with, you guys, portable. And it's got a good quality. And it comes with a cable at the bottom. It's 32 feet Bluetooth range. And then on the back, it has more things you can talk about or see. Yeah, it does. It shows you some stuff you can use. Directions. It has directions and everything. So let's open it up. Ooh, look at this. It's so cute. If I can get this open with one hand, it'll be a miracle. Look at that. Let's turn this around. Turn this around. Ooh, look at this. How cute this is. And it's red. I love that red color. I can't help it. I love red. People know me by now. But look at that. The speakers look like an old school radio. And then you turn it around. And it has like a US, I think it's USB, right? I'm not sure what it's called. A power cord thing right there. And it looks so cute, right? I love this. So thank you guys for watching this haul video. I will be right back. I'm going to put this away for you guys so you can see me all done in this video. Like it, did you love it? Do you enjoy it? If you did, give me a thumbs up. Give a like. Tell your friends. But I am Dee Scraps, My Life's a Craft Artist. I had so much fun showing you these beautiful things I bought at Five Below. I love strawberry shortcake. I love that. I love cute stickers and scratch and sniff. I really think that's cool. I love a beautiful perfume. They smell so wonderful. And I love all the accessories that I bought in this video. So thank you so much. Hopefully you don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please tell your friends about this channel. Share this video if you would like, or share my channel with other people. Say, I am Dee Scratch. This is a cool channel. And I hope you have fun watching today's video on the haul from Five Below. And don't forget to click on that notification button for I am Dee Scraps, My Life's Craft Artist. So thank you so much, and keep crafting no matter what. What?